Is this the best budget drone? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Tello drone. This drone is packed with features all for under $100. It's great for beginners or if you just want to have an inexpensive drone to fly around. I had the link in the description below for the current pricing. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. This is the Tello drone, which is powered by DJI and Intel. Inside you get a manual, extra propellers and an installation tool, and a battery which I've installed. The drone has a flight time of 13 minutes, shoots 720p HD video and 5 megapixel photos, has stabilization, precise hovering, and multiple flight modes which we'll go over shortly. This is operated via an app and it's very easy to control. You can also get aftermarket controllers. The Tello is fairly small and has a plastic build quality. This just weighs in at just 80 grams. It has 4 prop guards that I recommend leaving on to prevent damage of the props. The battery compartment is on the rear and easily accessible. Charging time is about 1.5 hours. On one side you have the input for the micro USB for charging. This does not come with a cable. And on the other side you have the power button. The bottom of the drone, you have the vision positioning system sensors. On the front, you have a fixed camera, and to the right of it is the LED status indicator light. This will show the status of the on and off, connection, and battery warning for low levels. Just to give perspective on the size, it comes in at about 7 inches all around with the prop guards on. Setting it up is quick. You will need to download the Tello app. In the app, you will see your controllers and options. On the left is a controller stick which will move the drone up and down and rotate it in a circular motion. The right controller stick will move the drone forward, backwards, left and right. On the upper right, you have the options for the video and photo. The middle has a status bar for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection, along with battery indicator. It will also display the flight speed and altitude. The gear icon will open up settings which will provide options for flight speed, controller, Wi-Fi, and general options. There are various flight modes for throw and go, flips, up and away, 360, circle, and bounce. I'll demonstrate some of them shortly. And finally, the landing and takeoff. Swiping the slider will launch the Tello. You can also land it on your hand. Here you see the takeoff and landing. It's very easy to use and precise. You can also do the throw and go feature, and it will launch. The sound of the motor outdoors is not that loud. Now here's the option for it to do flips. This is very neat. You just swipe on the controller any direction and it will start to flip. Now the 360 flight mode. This stays in place and it will start to spin around. This is the bounce mode. The drone will just bounce up and down. And the circle mode. The Tello will just circle around you. and flying the drone around the park. This is how the video looks. It is a cloudy day today. The Tello drone. This is an awesome, inexpensive drone that has many features. It is very easy to control, and this is perfect for beginners, or those that don't want to spend hundreds of dollars. It's not perfect by any means. Don't expect cinematic video and photos with this drone. The video quality is decent. There are some times where it can become a bit jittery, and the photo quality is okay. Range was not an issue at all. I always flew it within sight. I would highly recommend getting an extra battery to extend your flight times. I was averaging about 10 minutes or so on a charge. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.